Oh my God, I saw this video today of this guy was driving on the highway and he's in a truck, and then before he can stop, there's sheep all over the road.
Sheep.
He hits 1,000 sheep. This dude's just driving along the road, having a good old time, just doing his thing, trying to get to his destination. He's not even speeding. Look, going normal. No, oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Boom. Bro. How many sheep did he kill?
Oh no!
How many sheep did he kill? I mean, I'm guessing 500.
That was so many.
So many.
He's in a semi-truck, clearly,
Yeah,
right?
clearly, because he didn't even slow him down. You didn't hear a bang.
You got him with the high beams, though.
Look at this guy.
saw him
Bro
slightly.
had 9 years to break. Shut the fuck up, bitch. It's always some guy who's shirtless in his avatar.